Good morning. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Ram Bahadur Kami. I am 36 years old. I am from Kailali district, Nepal. I am married. I have four members in my family. My education is plus two passed. My height is 5.4 feet and weight is 65 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, volleyball, watching movies, traveling, cooking, etc. Talking about my work experience, I have 2 years of work experience as a factory worker in India. I want to come to any European country as a factory worker to earn money and support my family. I can do loading, unloading, cleaning and weighting, lifting, operating machine, materials, handle, safety, etc. I will stay there for the long term, maybe 5 6 years. Also, I will follow the company rules of policy. Thank you. Thank you.